Konnichiwa guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn vocabulary chapter 2. Hajime ma show. Let's start. Kore, this, things here. Sore, that, things near to you. Are, that, things over there. Kono, this. Sono, that. Ano, that over there. Hon, book. Jisho, dictionary. Jashi, magazine. Shinbun, newspaper. Noto, notebook. Teko, pocket notebook. Meshi, business card. Kado, card. Terehon kado, telephone card. Enpitsu, pencil. Boru pen, ballpoint pen. Shapu penshiro, mechanical pencil. Kagi, key. Tokei, watch. Kasa, umbrella. Kaban, bag. Kasetto tepu, cassette tape. Tepu rekoda, tape recorder. Terebi, television. Radio, radio. Camera, camera. Computer, computer. Jidosha, automobile car. Sukwe, desk. Isu, chair. Chocoretto, chocolate. Kohi, coffee. Ego, English language. Nihongo, Japanese language. Go, language. Nan, what? So. Chigaimasu, no it isn't or you are wrong. So desu ka, I see or is that so? Ano, well. Hon no kimochi desu. It's nothing or it's a token of my gratitude. Dozo, please or here you are. Domo, well, thanks. Domo arigato gozaimasu. Thank you very much. Kore kara osewa ni narimasu. I hope for your kind assistance hereafter. Chirakoso yoroshiku. I am pleased to meet you. Thank you, like and subscribe. Mata ne.